Hello guys, sorry, Brian here, and today sorry guys, today I'm going to be opening some Pokemon cards. I have a Lampent, a Meryl, a Litleo, a Rufflet, ooh that's cute, a Bungus, a Ponyard, ooh, a Bastodon, a Probopass, a Captivating Pokepuff, and a Clang. That was pretty good. My favorite one out of that pack would probably have to be the Meryl and the Bastodon. Yeah. So, another pack open. I have Alakazam and Beta Squad. So let me open it. Sorry, my mom okay. Ooh, a Vullaby. Oh, sorry, a Vullaby. Isn't that good? A Burmy. A bunch of different Burmies. There's the Sand Cloak, the Flower Cloak, I think. That's the Leaf Cloak. Audino Spirit Link. She can Mega Evolve, if you didn't know that. Ooh, Serperior. A Fossil Ammonite. Audino Spirit Link. Wow, I'm getting a bunch of trainers. Pokemon Fan Club. My card. A Riolu. So cute. A Seal. And a Larvitar. So that was the end of this video, guys. Bye!